Well, this is how it currently sits in a...
What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And we're down a car. I got the notification today through my attorney that the tracks will be unfixable for them. And I have two options. I can buy it back or I can just cash it out. So let me show you what it looks like and how bad it is where it's all disassembled and stuff now where they have to fix it. And then we'll get into it and you guys can kind of vote in the comments and see what you guys think. All right, guys, welcome on back to TK's Garage. And in today's video, we are talking about the 2016 Chevy Trax that is now, by State Farm's standards, a total loss. Before we get into the video, though, I got to talk to you guys about today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is Morgan & Morgan. If you've ever been into an accident and you're looking for a personal injury attorney, size really matters. And to get, I want to say, somebody that's extremely competent and somebody that can actually help you win your case, that size does matter. But convenience is also important too. And you can actually create or start your claim directly from your cell phone, just like me, on the couch, in 8 clicks or less. Highly recommend it. You can go check it out. forthepeople.com/TK's Garage and go get started today. All right, so getting into the Chevy Trax. Well, first, let's take a look at it. We'll do a quick walk around of it so you can see the damage and stuff to it. And then you guys can kind of help me make a decision on what we're going to do with the car.
Well, this is how it currently sits in a bazillion pieces. Yeah. Undercarriage damage. Yes, they do. Lots of nicks, scratches. They basically documented everything on the car that was bad. Oh. Yeah. So as you can see, the car is in complete, disassembled. The whole interior in the rear, the whole front end, the crash bar, all kinds of other stuff is just shoved in the car like you would normally see it. Copart or IAA, nothing different here. Here's what State Farm offered. They were like, you could buy it back from us for $2,850, so $2,850. I'd get a salvage title, which you guys know I would immediately just go get a rebuilt title on it, and it could be driven exactly the way it is now. I don't know how long it's going to run because I know that there's issues with the turbo. I know that there's other issues with the car mechanically where she shakes at like 55, 60. I'm sure you guys have seen the videos. Or I take the full payout of a little bit over $12,000 for the car. I think that's probably the route that we're going to go. But I like to hear your guys' input because I probably could make that car look passable, like not be able to tell it was in an accident by just replacing that rear door in total. Just find another black painted door, hang it, plug it in, replace the front bumper and fascia where it was damaged where it went up over the curb after the accident, and that'd be it. You know, I don't even actually could just button it back up. You couldn't even really tell that the undercarriage stuff there on the front was damaged when I did it. But it would need to have the air conditioning system recharged, oiled. I would have to probably replace the turbo. So I don't know how much that is, right? Hang in that door. I probably could get that car back to
running and driving and not looking messed up for about 3,500. So now we're looking at like 5-6 grand, and I would pocket another 6,000 with a salvage title on the vehicle, or rebuilt title when it's all said and done. So do I do that, or do you take the $12,000 and you use it into multiple other cars? I don't know. But anyways, the question was asked for you guys today because I wanted your guys' help with it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Now that the Chevy has been completely totaled. And look, before anybody's like, oh, screw State Farm, I can't believe it took them 6 months to come to this decision. Evidently, after the accident, their insured went back to China. They just bounced. And it might have been, I don't know, maybe the police wanted to talk to them about the accident. Because in the video, I guess they also, I didn't catch it because I was still kind of out of it. I just heard her saying in Mandarin that she didn't see me. And I didn't let it slide or let them know that I can understand what they were saying. I wanted them to talk as much between each other as possible so I could get them admitting, which they did in the video, that they were wrong for hitting me. It just pissed me off that it took State Farm 6 months to come to that same conclusion or find somebody else that speaks the language to look at that video. But it is what it is. At least it's finally done, right? So anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Rebuild it, and maybe that's the other thing too. If we're putting like 6,000 into that car to rebuild it, I don't know if it's I don't know if we're going to give that car away. Does that make sense? Or do I find something else, a nice Cadillac or Escalade or a Tahoe or something, and we build that up for, half that money to be able to have a decent vehicle to do a channel giveaway on. I don't know. So your input here would be helpful. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate the love and support. And again, we're about to knock down another milestone. The channel's growing like crazy. We're almost at 116,000. I don't know if we're going to get to 120 before the end of the year. It just depends on how some of these shorts and these other videos take off. But it's been a good year, and that's a total credit to you guys sharing and pushing our videos. Also, for you guys, definitely go check out the Facebook page. We're going to be pushing Facebook extremely hard. Facebook.com/TK's Garage Vids, VIDS. We're going to be pushing that extremely hard. So definitely go check that out if you haven't already, because I'm going to start posting videos over there. If you guys follow me on TikTok, I post a lot of the shorts there first. And then we post some of our long-form content as well over on Rumble. But anyways, there you guys have it, man. Thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Smash that thumbs up button if you already haven't, and hit the subscribe button. And let me know. Let me know what you guys think. What should we do in the comments? I'd appreciate that. Outside of a lot of other YouTube channels, I actually value what your guys' input is. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below.